Welcome back, guys. I'm here with 𝗏𝗏𝐴FRICAN again. Oh my gosh, always love getting wigs from 𝗏𝗏𝐴FRICAN because they're literally so good with their quality. So, you know, as usual, this is the packaging. First thing that I'm seeing is the drawstring bag, which I'm gonna get into. Everything is usually branded. So I got this goodie bag, and also there's a thank you card. So let's see what we got for the goodies today. I got this, you know, rat tail comb, an edge brush and comb. Also, they sent a pair of they sent a pair of lashes, a pair of HD wig caps, and lastly they sent like a headscarf. And I know that this is branded, so yeah, that's everything. I love how, you know, I love when a company takes pride in their packaging and how they brand their stuff. It says a lot about them. So inside today's drawstring 𝗏𝗏𝐴FRICAN bag, we have our wig, and I'm so ready to jump in. So I must say right off the bat, I love the bob that we're working with today. It's a nice curly bob, as you can see, but what makes this so special is because 𝗏𝗏𝐴FRICAN have upgraded their wig cap, and this specifically that we're working with today is a 5x5 lace closure glueless wig. All right, I'm so happy to have one of these to show you guys. So let me tell you some of the awesome features of this wig. It has the non-slip silicone area, which I realize is a great way to upgrade your wig cap. You don't need to add the adjustable straps in the back. This will help with helping the cap to not slip as much. It comes with a pre-cut lace, you know, so if you're a beginner, you don't understand how to do all of those customization things on your own, the lace is already pre-cut. Also, it is a breathable cap, so your head don't have to feel like your head is gonna be like super hot, or you can't breathe, or you're too confined under a wig. No, it's a breathable cap, and if you look up close, you see that it's like a nice mesh material. They also added non-slip silicone inside of the cap, not just on the back. You know the wig is even better when you have a nice pre-plucked hairline. So this is how it comes, and it looks so natural, guys. Natural. By the way, the lace is already bleached and tinted. You don't need to go in and do any more of that. It's already done for you, so that is a plus. The hair feels soft, and it's a nice 1B color, so I'm very happy with that. And it's a nice blunt cut as well. It's also 12 inches long, so if you don't need a lot of, like, you don't want too much length, I feel like this is a perfect wig for you. And it's curly, so you already know a curly texture. You don't have to be worrying about straightening the wig or curling the wig. You could literally just add water to this to revive the curls on a daily basis, and you're good to go. All right, so those are some of the features of today's gorgeous wig. So let me go ahead and just slip this on. We don't need any adhesive for this install, so it's literally a slip on and go. The install is under 5 minutes, under 1 if we're being honest. It's so quick, too quick, and it's very beginner friendly. So let me go ahead and show you. There is absolutely nothing else that you need to do. The way the wig fall right off the bat, when you put it down, it looks great. It's nice and voluminous and soft and bouncy. By the way, this is a deep curly texture, if you're wondering. You don't like what it is. Breathtaking. Okay, like, what little to no work needed. Is literally the perfect slip on and go. The only thing left for me to show you guys is this texture, like when it's wet, and we're just gonna go in to define the curls a little more. I'm just using water, just a little water on it, but 𝗏𝗏𝐴FRICAN did their thing. Okay, this is too easy. Like, anybody can rock this. You really don't need the help of any body, because the wig comes perfectly customized for you. Like, just take it out the box and slip it on your head. You can adjust it and you can adjust it with the combs on the inside. And the cap is very snug. By the way, I got a medium size cap, so I'm gonna go through this with my brush. Oh my gosh, the curls are easy to work with. Like, it's not tangled, it doesn't feel hard to detangle. It's so soft and pretty. Look at these curls. That is too pretty, too pretty. And I love that. And there's nothing added to this, it's just water, so I know this will bounce up back in no time. Yeah, this is perfect. It's literally so flawless. I'm happy. I'm super pleased with the quality that I'm presenting to you guys today. Of course, you guys know I'm going to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, alright? So please check that out. Yeah, I love how everything looks. The hairline, the parting, it's all very realistic. And I just gave you guys the option of wetting it up just so you can see how it looks when it's wet also. You know, I know some of my girlies love a good wet look like myself. And sometimes you want it to have that nice, dry, soft, voluminous vibe. And you see it's already fluffing up back. That's because I didn't apply like any product to it more than water. So yeah, I think this is gorgeous. Oh, let me know what you guys think. I think this is a 10. Literally under a minute install. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Wow, African, you did it again. You did it again. Like, people don't have all the time in the world to be doing their hair on a daily basis, and they want to look cute on a daily basis. Like, I know I do. I don't know about you, but I can speak for me. So there's some days when I just feel like I don't want to be in my head, but I still want to look put together. A wig like this does it for me. It really does. So yeah, if you're interested in getting this wig, as I said, it will be in my description box, so check that link out. Also, the specifications will be listed. Go ahead, treat yourself, treat your friend, treat your cousin. If you want to give them a nice wig and this is their kind of vibe, hey, you're welcome. I'm happy I can give you options like this, guys. I really am. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. It's so quick, very to the point, super easy, very detailed at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Okay, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.